So guess where I am today? So today I found a very serene place. It's actually here in Thika Road. You know, I did molecular and cellular biology, and I've been looking for something to actually do with this degree, since I'm not actually making money with it. So I thought maybe I'll use it to do my passion with it, like, because I've always been intrigued by plants, animals, and just nature in itself. And what you know about nature, it's made of molecules, and what I studied is molecular biology. So I thought, what if, because in my studies there's plant and there's animal molecular biology, and we actually majored on plant molecular biology. Animal, yes, we did, but it was not that much. So I thought, why don't I start doing like videos on plants, different animal species, like insects, just animals in general, because I do other things to make my money. So this, maybe if it actually pays me in the future, well and good. If it doesn't, then it's okay. And there's nothing more satisfying than nature in itself. There's nothing more satisfying than nature. Like, nature is something that gives you joy, gives you pleasure, and it makes you calm. Like, I want to turn the camera and so as I was saying, I want to turn the camera and show you some of the natural things what I'm enjoying right here. So let me turn it. This is actually a GoPro. It will show you like exact pictures of what I'm seeing now. So let me turn the camera and for you to see everything that I'm seeing. So let me go down. Whoa. So this is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. Look at that. I was told this is a very dangerous place, so I must be very careful. I'm checking out to see if there's more out here trying to follow me. So, as I was saying, look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. There's nothing like this. Sometimes I think that just God made nature for us, like, to just admire and just gaze upon it. Human beings have tried. We have tried to build cars. We have tried to build fancy houses and everything, but just the natural environment is what satisfies mostly. Like, what satisfies a human being mostly. The waters are calm. Just going about their business. There's a napier grass that have grown. Yeah. Let me go back. So, are you seeing this pipe? This is a pipe carrying water up to there. Like this what you're seeing are, I don't know what these are called. Let me come and show you. I don't know what these are, but can you hear the sound? This is a sewage or something. Maybe it's being cleansed or something. So what is that? That can't be a sewage. What can it be? Because when I got closer and put my nose, there's a sound of like I hear a sound and some smell of chlorine or something. So yeah, so as I was saying, God created us to connect with nature. And I watched a podcast called The Diary of a CEO by Stephen Barley. And he says that like there's a guest who came and said that human beings are supposed to like some of the medicinal, what can I say? Like I'm trying to look for the right words. I'm not a good public speaker. Like we get some of the medicinal value by actually connecting with nature, by removing our socks. I'm trying to remove mine and connect with nature. Connect with nature. It has some medicinal value. Connecting with nature. Feels good. It's therapeutic, I guess. So. So guys, I hope you follow me. This is something that I'll be doing maybe 4 times a week when I'm not working on the things that are bringing me money to pay my rent and everything. Yeah, and it gives me joy. I've been wondering like what can I actually do to satisfy myself, like have like a connection, a deep connection with something greater. And I guess I don't know if this is just spiritual or something. God can be seen through nature itself. Like we can actually experience God through nature, through the wind, through the trees that He created, like, and even through human beings, us, in short. We can experience God through our fellow human beings. I think gone are the days where God came like in his real form, like a burning bush or something. These days he actually portrays himself through human beings, like, yeah. So guys, I hope this is my introductory video. I hope to get to follow me on Facebook, on YouTube, yeah, as I do something that I actually love, yeah, for a living. So there's a tree here, this one. I don't know if it's eucalyptus or something. I hope there's no snake. There are some fruits. There are some fruits hanging. I didn't. Fruits. Maybe is this a parasitic plant or something? I didn't know eucalyptus produces fruits. Sometimes I wish I was actually born in the bush, like monkeys. I'm trying to look for birds. Get closer to. So I'm going to turn off the camera and kindly like, subscribe. Yeah, do what you got to do. So bye.